Peace be upon you and the mercy and blessings of Allah.
Praise be to Allah, the Lord of all worlds.
All praise be due to Allah. May our deeds continue to reach Prophet Muhammad. Muslim brothers, wherever you are today, we from the Darul Ilmi Foundation, Dok Sumawe, on December 7th, 2025, are currently in Blangpia Village, Samudra District. The purpose is to provide donations in the form of logistic or essentials for residents affected by the flash flood some time ago. And this village is one of the villages where the flooding was quite severe.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you and Allah's mercy and blessings. Many thanks to the Ilmi Peduli Dok Sumawe Foundation for donating to us, especially to the residents of Blangpia village affected by the flash flood a few days ago. Hopefully, with that assistance, we can use it to the fullest, especially for the residents of Kampung Blangpia,